on the Richmond.
Well, that's not good.
Wednesday night, 7 p.m. on the 442 down 5
That's not good.
Please stand by, upset, and open it up to all seconds. All seconds, listening to you participate in that tonight and get on the list. Please call now. This is Kilo Oscar 4, uniform Oscar Romeo, stop. This is Kilo Oscar 4, Victor Echo Mike David. This is Kilo Oscar 4, Kilo Alpha Delta Red. This is Over. And check in. Please call down.
Wow. I have great difficulty receiving that thing tonight. I don't know why.
Okay, before we get started, didn't hear Chevy on the call-in, so let me go ahead and give the real basic announcement here. First, everyone check rats.net, especially I know they're looking for volunteers for the monument at race. I don't know the day of the race, but the Public Service Committee always looking for volunteers, like some of the other events they've done in the past, races, bike races and whatnot. So please check out rats.net for the link, information on that. Also, RAS is planning on having a day of radio on Saturday, 21st of March at Lowell Park, which is the usual summer field day spot for RAS. Basically the intersection of Staples Mill and Hungry Road. Again, Saturday, the 21st of March. Basically one day only, from what I understand they're doing morning to early evening. Rats.net, all your information on that. If you want to come hang out, great time like always. In addition to that, your board this weekend, or excited about ham radio, the ARL International CX contest is this weekend. So if you're looking to get on HF and fill your logbook up with many CX contacts, this is the weekend for you. So that is what I plan on doing for fun. And get out first, possibly fill your logbook with honor contacts. I encourage you to check that out. That's what I'm doing. Bob, 4 Bob, appreciate you checking in all the way out there from Glen Allen. Good to have you, and hope to have you on many more upcoming days. We'll clear Bob and go to our buddy Scott, KL4ULR. Scott, what is going on in your world? Go ahead. Good to hear you. But yes, the weather was today, and it's looking real good going into and through the weekend. So, again, I plan on getting a lot of fresh air once Saturday and Sunday hit. All right, good to hear you. We'll clear with Scott, and let's go to Dave. Out there, Williams, KO4VEM, you're
I'm King William. Just enjoying this beautiful day. I'm like everybody else. I am tired of the cold and the snow and the ice, and we've had our share. I'm done with it. Thank you very much. And had this day to get out and do some work in the yard, and it felt good. I always like to complain about mowing lawn, but I'm looking forward to it now. Just after this winter, I'm sure by summer I'll be glad to complain again, but that's okay. That's pretty normal. Anyway, I talked to a guy on HF the other day in Vermont, and he said they had 4 meters of snow on the ground just this past week, and now they're looking possibly for more this weekend. And I said, well, God bless you, brother. You up there in Vermont. I'm glad I'm in Virginia. Anyway, nothing much else going on. It's just good to hear everybody on the net tonight, and everybody's sounding good, crystal clear, good signals all the way around. So I'll turn it back over to you, Rob. This is Ken.
David, yes, I'm with you on that. I believe yesterday was pretty cold and a little rainy. That's my limit. One last kind of dreary day regarding sunshine today. All right, KBQ-OYI with the last set. Now let's go ahead and pause right here, Randy. Go ahead and stand by, please. I don't want to put anybody on hold. You're a good candidate for that. This is KBQ-OYI with the last set. If there's anybody additional check-ins out there wishing to join the list, please call now. Progress. KL4KAB, Randy, your turn. Your comments, go ahead.
Good evening, Rob, and everybody on the line. And, positive today. Sure. And like everybody, I'm ready for this weather. We're going to actually head down do a little boat action down there. Friday night. Work up to the park and try to get some on board. Good luck with it. On board, worked by Bill at Fort Hill the last couple of weekends on board. So, what's going on? Hope everybody has a great weekend. And 7-3, airport.
Weekend for that as well. Be able to pull up that logbook, and again, there's going to be a lot of GX activity put on the man. So when you're out there and all set up, man, shoot me a text. I'll try to work you from the shack here. Good to be able to work that out. All right, we'll clear with Randy. Let's go to Mike. H4IRB. Mike, good to have you tonight. Your comments, go ahead.
Well, that would show my day. It's a nice day, but
to OI, 873, I'll be clear.
That was all stinking noise for me. Look at that. Noise, noise. There's so many adjacent UHF whatever. Grief.
Commander Rover? Did you say highway or hospital?